Alright, we are ready. Whoa, I did not see that. Alright, let's see. Are we clean? Are we clean? See, are we clean? Are we clean? Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, that can't come out? Oh, shoot. Can't get the can out. Hold up, y'all. Oh, it's stuck in. Let's see. I must can't get that out. I guess I'm gonna have to. Dang. Is that stuck in now? Or did they have to clean it? I guess I'm gonna have to get some. Dang, no. I just got that out with my hand. Hold up. What's a minute? Dang. Hold up. That ain't clean. What's all this? I just missed that. They don't clean ashtrays. Oh, man. I should have cleaned that. Hold up, man. Man. All this, man. What the hell, man? What the? Hold up, man. What is all this? What they clean? See, that's what I be talking about, man. What they clean, y'all? I'm trying to figure out what they clean, man. Can you get him, please? Where did the guy go? Where did the guy go? Shoot. Where did he go? Shoot. Oh, man. Somebody need to take glasses on. Shoot. Oh, man. Dang. It's like going through this. Stuff that, I mean, you can just see with your eyeballs. Shoot. Hey. I got the kids to do this. Oh, this over here. This right here lift up. I thought they was gonna put the shine back to the mats. You know what I'm saying? The mats, no. I thought they was gonna put the shine back on the mats. I could have paid for that. They weren't gonna do that. That's what I wanted. Jesus. should have made him wait out here while I look inside. These crumbs back here. These crumbs back here. Look at these crumbs back here. These the same freaking crumbs that was back here when I brought this car here. Same freaking crumbs. These the same potato chip crumbs that was here when I brought the car in here. Come on now. Come on now. I ain't coming back up here no more. Really? Look at this mess. Look at this mess. Y'all wanna get y'all butt out here. Let's crank up this door so I can get me chocolate out here. This don't make no sense. It's ridiculous. Oh my God. Finished.
I told we don't wipe seats. We
No,
don't do
let's
seats.
take a look. Real good.
Okay. How about
Okay.
yeah.
And also, did y'all vacuum under mats?
Yes.
You lift it up. Okay. Also,
I just revacuum the whole car, man. That's it.
oh, wait a minute. I'm not.
I just do it.
Give me a chance to finish off.
Okay, go ahead.
I wanted the mats to shine. Do you pay? I mean, do I need to pay extra for that? Because that's what I wanted. The mats are dope.
But you know that's dangerous. I can't put tire shine on that. That's
Okay.
dangerous.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Can you look inside the cup
holders?
holder? Do y'all clean those?
They ain't vacuum up.
Y'all clean those? Or is that extra?
No, I clean those. I told you we clean that. My bad. I'm just pulling back down to do it for you.
Where do I need to put it?
Oh, you can put it in the back.
All the way back in the back?
all the way.
I need to come. You don't need to come to these kind of businesses late. You're gonna get a half done job. Trying to cut me off while I'm talking. Dang. Cut me off while I'm talking. Well, I'll tell you. Dang, I could have got one of the kids to do it right. I'm gonna do it in the back. I didn't want the other customers to see it. Had done some. I did all this at home.
I'm not mad at you, man. I'm just mad at these young kids, man. I told them what to do, you know? They so concerned once they got their money, they just left. Crazy.